What's up everybody, welcome to another interesting tech review video. Today we are exploring OneOdio Focus A5, an affordable headphone built with premium features for a well-rounded audio experience. If you are subscribed to this channel, then you may know that I have also reviewed some other OneOdio headphones. Especially OneOdio Focus A10 is one of the best headphones in my collection. As the brief version of Focus A10, Focus A5 keeps many of the best qualities of its predecessor while making high quality sound available at $59.99 US. So today we are gonna check what makes this OneOdio Focus A5 one of the best budget friendly headphones available on the market. But before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Echoes fill the streets in the crowd, feeling all alone. Sat right there, oh so.
Starting with design, OneOdio Focus A5 offers a comfortable and durable build that's hard to beat at this price. Featuring upgraded protein leather ear pads and memory foam, it's designed for long wear without discomfort, even during extended listening. The lightweight yet sturdy headband provides a secure fit without pressing too tightly, spatially accommodating for glasses wearers. The 90-degree rotating ear cups and foldable design add convenience, making Focus A5 easily portable for travel or daily commutes. Built for versatility, Focus A5 adapts well to various listening environments. OneOdio Focus A5 delivers an impressive sound signature with a balanced frequency response, enhanced by high-res audio certification for detailed clarity. LDAC technology transmits data up to 3 times faster than standard Bluetooth, allowing mids and highs to stand out with precision. The bass is punchy yet controlled, adding depth without overpowering other frequencies. With 40mm drivers, Focus A5 creates an immersive audio experience that highlights fine details in music, movies, and games. Its sound profile provides a warm, studio-like quality, making it an engaging option for diverse listening scenarios. Okay, let me be very clear. Here, rich and balanced audio makes Focus A5 a competitive choice within its budget-friendly category. I truly care about sound signature and a wider sound stage. I think Focus A5 performs beyond its price point. Okay, I know you wanna know about ANC and transparency. Yeah, OneOdio Focus A5 provides effective noise reduction with its AI-based hybrid active noise cancellation, cutting ambient sounds by up to 45 decibel. Switching between ANC, transparency, and normal modes is straightforward using the ANC button. Transparency mode allows some outside sound to pass through, helpful in busy or public spaces. Pressing the ANC button twice enables AI Adaptive ANC, which adjusts cancellation based on the surrounding noise. This feature set makes OneOdio Focus A5 adaptable to various listening environments, from busy areas to quieter spaces, offering decent noise cancelling performance typical of higher-end models, yet within an affordable price range. Battery life is OneOdio Focus A5 one of the strongest features. With a 600 mAh battery, it offers up to 75 hours of playback with ANC off and 45 hours with ANC on. Yeah, that's not with LDAC. Enabling LDAC slightly reduces the battery life. What has made me so surprised is this OneOdio Focus A5 actually provides 5 hours of playback time after a 5 minutes quick recharge. At the beginning, I didn't believe this, but after I have tried this several times, well, yeah, 5 minutes of quick recharge provides 5 hours of playback time. I need to mention this that I have a lot of earbuds, a lot of headphones. I've tested a lot and I've noticed that based on distance between the phone or the tablet and the headphone or the earbuds, Yeah, the battery life actually varies. And after testing OneOdio Focus A5 for a few days, well, I'm truly surprised. OneOdio Focus A5 actually provides one of the most reliable battery performance. Yeah, talking about battery performance, there is another thing I need to mention. Even when gaming mode, I mean low latency mode is enabled, the battery of OneOdio Focus A5 doesn't get drained like many other headphones within this price segment. Because most of the time I have noticed that with gaming mode or low latency mode enabled, batteries of some other headphones will get drained faster, but OneOdio Focus A5 actually has done very good. Yeah, OneOdio Focus A5 has this dedicated gaming mode. The gaming mode or low latency mode, whatever you call it, can be activated by holding the ANC button for 2 seconds. With low latency mode on, OneOdio Focus A5 provides a seamless experience for gaming or watching action-packed movies, ensuring audio and visuals sync effortlessly. The gaming mode adds versatility to Focus A5, appealing to both gamers and movie enthusiasts. Well, before we wrap up, I need to mention three things that I love about this OneOdio Focus A5. The first thing is, even if it costs less than 60 US dollars, it comes with high-res audio certification, it supports LDAC codec. It's really a great thing because most of the other headphones within this price segment doesn't support LDAC. It also has this AI adaptive ANC, which performs with perfection, and then the comfort, battery life. Well, I wanted to say three things that I like. I think I've said more than five. That makes you understand how much do I like this OneOdio Focus A5. Well, I have left a link of this OneOdio Focus A5 in the description box. If you want something better than this, if you are ready to spend some extra bucks, then go ahead, check the OneOdio Focus A10. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
I tried